Hello friends, thank you so much for your love, care and suggestions. In the previous video, we learned how to join our meetings or classes with the help of Google Meet. But sometimes we fail to join our classes or meeting on time. We face few issues like fail to join or call could not to be completed. So we are going to talk about how to resolve these issues. So let's start. Whenever you found this issue, without wasting your time, please go and check your mobile notification. You might have received one notification from the Google side. In that notification, it must be written that account action required. It means you might have changed something, or there is some glitch in your email ID, or you might have changed the password or any setting which you have changed, but it is not updated in Google Meet. So you need to click on that particular notification. Once you click on that notification, it required your password. So no need to worry. Please put your password and get it verified. Once you verify your password, your email ID will be reactivated and you will be able to join your meeting or classes. If our problem persists, then we need to go in mobile setting. Once the setting is open, then we find so many options are there. So we need to find the user and accounts. It depends on your mobile phone that the user and accounts option is in which area. Then please find it out, user and accounts. Please click on that. Once you click, then you will find so many apps are there. Then you need to find Google, because you need to sync your Google account. So please click on Google. Once you click on Google, then you will be able to see how many email IDs are added in your cell phone. Here you can see in which email ID you are facing some issues. You need to click on that particular account and click on sync now. Once you sync, then the each and every details in each and every events will be updated in your mobile phone and you will be able to join your class or meeting. Suppose your problem still persists, option is same, then please select your email ID and go in the same option. As you can see on the screen, just below the sync button, remove account button is visible. You need to click on remove account. Once you click on remove account, again you need to click on remove account. Once you click on remove account, then that email ID or that account will be removed from your mobile phone. The next step is, after removing your email ID, you need to restart your cell phone. After restarting your cell phone, please try to add your email ID. You can add your email ID through Google, through Gmail or through Google Meet. Please click on the circle button from where you can be able to see the email IDs and click on add another account and put your email ID and then password and then click on agree or confirm. After confirmation, it will give a notification that Gmail account services is started, and now you will be able to join your meeting or classes successfully. Thank you everyone to watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.